Hello everyone! Introducing the HKTIG300A industrial electronic TIG welding machine designed to meet your needs for power, aesthetics, consistent arc performance, and ease of use. Stay tuned until the end of the video to see how a girl welds with the HKTIG300A. The HKTIG300A is an industrial-grade TIG welding machine that operates on a single-phase 220-volt power supply, making it perfect for production workshops without three-phase power or for projects that require high mobility. Crafted to European standards, this machine features a striking yellow design that stands out, along with a clear display, professional switches, and intuitive knobs. Its 8 corners are rounded for durability, preventing dents and damage during handling. The HKTIG300A offers both TIG and stick welding functions, each delivering exceptional quality. Accurate output of 300A, hands-free welding with 2T and 4T modes for TIG, compatible with welding rods from 1.6 millimeters to 3.2 millimeters, continuous operation with 4.0 millimeter rods. Ideal for welding stainless steel, thin steel, and sheet metal with excellent penetration and quality. Now, without further ado, let's see how the HKTIG300A performs when operated by a lady. What do you think of this weld? If you want to experience the HKTIG300A or are interested in this impressive machine, don't hesitate to contact our hotline at +84 287 3036 536 or email export@hongkey.vn for quick support. You can also visit our website at www.hongkey.vn